Today we're diving into the features of the GRACO SnugFit 35 DLX Infant Car Seat, designed to provide top-notch safety and comfort for your little one. This car seat is engineered to protect rear-facing infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches, featuring an anti-rebound bar for an added layer of rear-facing safety. With SnugLock technology, you can install the seat in less than a minute using either the vehicle seatbelt or latch system, ensuring a secure fit every time. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system allows the headrest and harness to adjust together with the front adjust feature, making it easy to accommodate your growing child without the need for rethreading. Thanks to the InRight LATCH system, you get a 1-second latch attachment for quick and hassle-free installation. The adjustable base offers 5 recline positions, ensuring the proper angle for safe and comfortable rides. Plus, the one-hand adjustable handle and infant head and body supports make getting your baby in and out of the car seat a breeze, providing a snug and cozy fit for smaller infants. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.